morning with article because diagnostic methods development when weapons characteristics measuring based on spectral analysis for signals phase shift determination. With other Vasyl Lytvyn, Victoria Vysotska, Sergiy Tyshko, Oleksandr Lavrut, Tetiana Lavrut, and Mariia Nazarkevych. Actuality. The analysis of known methods that have found wide application in measuring technologies which are designed to control the technical and operation characteristics associated with measurement of phase shift during the development, manufacture, and operation of weapons and military equipment has been carried out. Based in this analysis, it was determined that measuring system designed to determine the phase shift of two harmonic signals have two information transmission channels. The now principles of implementation of measuring systems lead to the fact that a segment impact on the accuracy of the solution of the proposed measuring problem is introduced by component of errors caused by the further symmetry of signal transmission channels as well as internal and external now. Actuality for harmonic signals, such concepts as phase, initial phase shift, and delay time are used as measuring technology. The most complex classification of methods for measuring phase shift of harmonic signals is given in the work. According to the principle of measuring, the method of phaseometry are divided into compensatory methods and methods of converting the phase shift into the values, voltage, time interval, and geometric parameters of oscillographic images of the investigated signal. This method differ for each other technical implementation, complexity, and accuracy. Compensation method are based on the process of balancing compensation, the phase shift delta phi null because 2p between the measuring harmonic signals, that's reduction, the phase shift to zero by adjustment the phase of one of the signals using an adjustment phase shift shift. Related works. It will denote the angular frequency, thus the signs omega equal 2p 2t. Then for the function on the interval minus t c 2 2 tc 2 the Fourier series, the form phi vt equal annual to 2 and sum ak cosinus bk sinus kt. The dispersion is now method inclined a significant impact on the accuracy of measuring the phase shift of the error component, which is caused by the phase asymmetry of the signal transmission channel. The percentage of two channels for conduction analogous to digital conversation is input signal, which lead to the need for mortal synchronization of the frequency of clock generations for each of the channels. Significant impact on the accuracy of external and internal noise measurement, non-linear nature of the skull. Matterson's model present the determination of the phase shift is the greatest interest in phasiometry. Phase shift refers to the models of the difference between initial phase of two harmonic signals of the same frequency. As a rule, the measurement of phase shifts of signals is based on the model of the harmonic signal, which is specified without changing in its parameters over an infinite time interval. This model is ideal, and in practice, a model with a finite time window is used that is measurements are carried out on finite time interval. A vector diagram for determining the value of the initial phase of the phase harmonics of the signal was presented on this picture. The vector diagram for determining the value of the initial phase phi of the first harmonic of the signal U. U, U is sum UM2X. To value UM for UM equal 1 volt, UM presented with then then data and structural diagram for the transformation of the signal into into the signal with on picture. The uh, the model um, works in in mathematics mathematics program. Experiments, result, and discussions with figure a time diagram of signal and U1 strich and U2 strich and U sum strich, the value of the delta phi equal 0, and diagram the signal O1 with O1 T and U2 T and other U with T at the value of phi equal 0.9. And as a slide with time diagrams of signal U1 T and U2 T and other U at value delta phi equal 1.2 rad with diagram on the picture. And conclusions. Analysis of the known principles of measuring phase shifts was carried out. The analysis showed that a significant contribution to the final measurement error of phase shifts is made by the component caused by phase asymmetry of signal transmissions channel and the influence of experiment and internal noise As an alternative approach to determining the phase shift, it is proposed to use a signal obtained as a result of summing harmonic signals after carrying out their two semi-period transformation followed by its spectral analysis. Analytical relation are proposed that establish the relationship between the phase shift and the characteristics of the spectrum of amplitude and phase of the considered signals. The adequacy of the proposed analytical relation was checked. As a result of the verification, it was established that the relative discrepancy between the characteristics of the spectrum obtained using the proposed ration and using the ration for calculation the coefficient of the Fourier series does not exceed 0.1%. This analytic relation can be considered as mathematical basis for the synthesis of methods for determining the phase shift of two harmonic signals using the spectral analysis of the signal obtained as a result of the addition after carrying out the two half cycle transformation. Future research should be directed to the development of intelligent diagnostic system which will be built based on the algorithms of artificial intelligence, which in turn will reduce the time and increase the accuracy of measurements for forecasting state of modern Earth. Thank you.